Whether you're just starting out with drones or you're a professional aerial videographer, DJI remains the gold standard in the drone industry. This year, DJI continues to lead the market with an impressive lineup that blends smart features, powerful cameras, and excellent flight performance. From compact and lightweight mini drones to the performance-driven Mavic models and the thrill-inducing Avata FPV series, DJI offers something for every type of user. This year's top picks highlight DJI's versatility and innovation, ensuring there's a perfect model for every flying need and budget. Whether you prioritize portability, image quality, or immersive control, DJI has engineered a solution that fits your style. In this guide, we'll count down the top 5 best DJI drones carefully selected for their performance, value, and standout capabilities. Whether you're after cinematic shots, travel-friendly gear, or a drone built for acrobatics, these models are the best of what DJI has to offer this year. Let's get started with the countdown, from number 5 all the way to the number 1 best DJI drone. Number 5, DJI Avata 2. Starting our list at number 5 is the DJI Avata 2, a drone engineered to make FPV first-person view flying more accessible and enjoyable than ever before. This updated version builds on the immersive thrill of its predecessor while adding intuitive features that cater to both novice pilots and seasoned FPV enthusiasts. With a super-wide 155-degree field of view and ultra-clear 4K video capability, the Avata 2 captures high-speed scenes and tight turns with a cinematic edge. Its built-in propeller guards make it ideal for navigating indoor spaces or flying close to obstacles, giving you more freedom without the stress. A standout addition is the one-button flip and roll function, which allows even beginners to pull off advanced tricks with ease. Plus, its built-in stabilization and horizon correction help maintain smooth, professional-looking footage even during aggressive flights. The Fly More combo bundle includes 3 batteries, extending your time in the air and minimizing wait times between flights. It also complies with FAA remote ID standards, ensuring you stay within current regulatory guidelines. If you're after a drone that delivers immersive action, great video, and simplicity in one exciting package, the DJI Avata 2 deserves your attention. Number 4, DJI Air 3S. The DJI Air 3S stands out in the mid-tier drone category, offering a stellar mix of portability, camera power, and intelligent features. It's equipped with a dual camera setup, including a prominent 1-inch CMOS wide-angle sensor capable of recording 4K video at 60 FPS with HDR support. The impressive 14-stop dynamic range ensures your footage remains vivid and detailed even in challenging light. Designed for extended use, the Air 3S delivers up to 45 minutes of flight time and a transmission range of 20 kilometers. Whether you're capturing vast mountain views or fast-paced outdoor events, it provides the endurance and reach needed to nail every shot. This drone excels in versatility. With the ability to toggle between lenses mid-flight, you can switch angles effortlessly. Features like hyperlapse, focus track, and master shots allow for polished cinematic sequences with minimal effort. Yet despite its powerful toolkit, it remains accessible to newcomers thanks to the user-friendly RCN3 controller and DJI's Smart Flight software. Safety is a priority here too. The Air 3S includes an omnidirectional obstacle detection system, giving you peace of mind when navigating complex environments. All these features come together in a compact frame that's easy to travel with. For those who want pro-level video capabilities without the bulk or complexity of high-end drones, the DJI Air 3S is a standout pick, ideal for both seasoned creators and aspiring pilots. Number 3, DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Ranked at number 3 is the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, the most advanced model in the Mavic lineup. It sets a new benchmark for aerial imaging thanks to its innovative triple camera setup. This includes a 4.3 Hasselblad sensor, a medium telephoto lens, and a dedicated 166mm telelens offering unmatched creative flexibility in flight. With 5.1K video capture and 20 megapixel stills from the Hasselblad camera, the footage looks cinematic and clean, while the 2 additional lenses allow you to zoom in on far-off subjects without compromising clarity. The advanced RC Pro controller in this Fly More combo provides smooth, responsive piloting and a bright display for daylight visibility. The Mavic 3 Pro also offers 43 minutes of flight time and features multi-directional obstacle avoidance, ensuring safe flights in all directions. Whether you're producing high-end content, surveying landscapes, or shooting documentaries, this drone delivers the tools professionals need. Packed with features like master shots, hyperlapse, and advanced tracking modes, the Mavic 3 Pro is a powerhouse in both hardware and software. For those seeking the absolute best in consumer drone technology, the Mavic 3 Pro is as premium as it gets. Number 2. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Taking the number 2 spot is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, the newest flagship in the Mavic series and one of the most advanced drones DJI has ever released. Built for professionals who demand absolute top-tier performance, the Mavic 4 Pro pushes aerial imaging to new heights. Its headline feature is the upgraded Hasselblad L2D20C camera system with a larger CMOS sensor, delivering true-to-life colors, stunning 5.7K video, and rich detail in both highlights and shadows. With its adjustable aperture and enhanced low-light performance, it's a powerhouse for creators working in diverse environments. From sunrise shoots to night landscapes, the Mavic 4 Pro also introduces an improved telephoto system, enabling optical zoom with incredible clarity. This allows you to capture subjects from afar without sacrificing image quality, perfect for wildlife, events, or cinematic storytelling. Flight performance is equally impressive, offering extended battery life, stronger wind resistance, and the latest OQ sync transmission for ultra-reliable, high-quality live feeds at long range. Safety has also been upgraded with next-generation omnidirectional obstacle sensing and intelligent flight planning, ensuring smooth and secure operations in even the most challenging spaces. With professional-grade shooting modes like master shots, hyperlapse, and advanced subject tracking, the Mavic 4 Pro is engineered for creators who want unmatched creative flexibility. Whether for commercial productions, documentaries, or cinematic projects, this drone is a serious tool for serious pilots. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. Claiming the top spot on our list is the DJI Mini 4 Pro, an ultra-compact drone that proves you don't need a bulky or expensive model to achieve professional quality aerial footage. Weighing just 249 grams, the Mini 4 Pro avoids many aviation restrictions, including FAA registration in most regions, making it one of the most travel-friendly drones ever created. It's perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and seasoned creators alike who want maximum freedom with minimal hassle. The Mini 4 Pro's portability doesn't come at the cost of performance. It houses a 1 in 1.3-inch CMOS sensor that captures dazzling 4K video and sharp 48 megapixel stills. Thanks to dual native ISO and advanced HDR support, you get excellent dynamic range, true-to-life colors, and impressive detail even in challenging lighting conditions like sunsets or overcast skies. One of its standout features is the omnidirectional obstacle sensing system, something rarely seen in drones this small. It uses multiple wide-angle vision sensors to detect obstacles from every direction, enabling precise hovering, smoother path planning, and enhanced flight safety. This allows even beginners to fly confidently in complex environments. With up to 34 minutes of battery life and DJI's cutting-edge OQ Sync 4.0 transmission, you get a stunning 20-kilometer control range with ultra-stable video feedback. Whether you're filming coastal landscapes, mountain vistas, or cityscapes, the Mini 4 Pro stays connected and in control. Paired with the DJI RC2 controller featuring a built-in screen, your flying experience becomes smoother and more intuitive. Intelligent modes like Master Shots, Focus Track, Quick Shots, and Hyperlapse empower even first-time pilots to create cinematic content effortlessly. All things considered, the DJI Mini 4 Pro offers an unbeatable mix of portability, intelligent features, and stunning camera performance, making it the best DJI drone you can buy. Whether you're traveling the world or capturing your backyard, it delivers big results in a tiny package. DJI's latest drone lineup showcases a perfect fusion of innovation, usability, and performance, tailored for hobbyists, professionals, and everyone in between. Whether you're chasing cinematic quality, extended range, or immersive experiences, there's a DJI drone built just for you. For newcomers, the Mini 4 Pro is the ultimate entry point, lightweight, powerful, and packed with pro-level features. If you're a professional demanding the very best, the Mavic 4 Pro leads the pack with its groundbreaking camera system and unmatched performance, while the Mavic 3 Pro and Air 3S deliver versatile, high-end shooting capabilities in more compact designs. And for thrill seekers, the Avata 2 brings the adrenaline rush of FPV flying with safety and simplicity. No matter which model you choose, one thing remains constant: DJI's commitment to pushing the boundaries of drone technology. These top 5 picks represent the best DJI has to offer, helping you capture the world from perspectives that were once impossible.